Cryptocoryne Wendtii, FAQs and Essential Care Tips. As a plant enthusiast, I've had my fair share of experiences with Cryptocoryne Wendtii, a popular choice among aquarium hobbyists. This aquatic plant is known for its adaptability and unique appearance. In this article, I'll answer some frequently asked questions about Cryptocoryne Wendtii, including how to plant it, its light requirements, tolerance to aquarium salt, and more. Whether you're a seasoned aquarist or a beginner, I hope this guide will help you take better care of this fascinating plant. See more 86 species in genus Cryptocoryne at monsteraholic.com. How to plant Cryptocoryne Wendtii? Planting Cryptocoryne Wendtii is relatively straightforward. Start by choosing a well-draining substrate, such as aquarium soil or fine gravel. Cryptocoryne Wendtii does well in nutrient-rich substrates, which help it establish a strong root system. Gently plant the rhizome, ensuring it's buried but not too deep. The roots should be spread out to avoid overcrowding. Position the plant in a spot with moderate to low light. Cryptocoryne Wendtii can adapt to various light conditions but thrives in low to medium light. After planting, avoid disturbing the plant too much. It may take a few weeks for it to settle in and start growing. Can Cryptocoryne Wendtii bronze tolerate aquarium salt? Cryptocoryne Wendtii bronze is known for its hardiness, but it's not particularly tolerant of high levels of aquarium salt. While it can handle occasional salt treatments for specific issues, regular or high doses of salt can stress the plant and hinder its growth. If you need to use salt for treatment, it's best to minimize its concentration and duration to prevent harming your Cryptocoryne Wendtii. Do Cryptocoryne Wendtii need lots of sun? One of the advantages of Cryptocoryne Wendtii is its adaptability to light conditions. It does not need a lot of sun. In fact, it often does better in low to moderate light conditions. Too much light can lead to algae growth and stress the plant. If you notice your Cryptocoryne Wendtii showing signs of too much light, such as browning or algae buildup, consider reducing the light intensity or duration. Does Cryptocoryne Wendtii need extra iron? Cryptocoryne Wendtii can benefit from extra iron, especially if you notice yellowing leaves, which is often a sign of iron deficiency. Adding an iron supplement to your aquarium can help address this issue. However, it's crucial to use the supplement according to the manufacturer's instructions to avoid over-fertilizing, which can lead to other issues such as algae blooms. How tall does Cryptocoryne Wendtii get? Cryptocoryne Wendtii generally grows to a height of 6 to 12 inches. The exact height can vary depending on the growing conditions and the specific variety of Cryptocoryne Wendtii. It's a relatively compact plant, making it suitable for smaller aquariums or as a foreground plant in larger setups. If you prefer a bushier appearance, regular trimming can help maintain its shape and promote denser growth. How to propagate Cryptocoryne Wendtii? Propagating Cryptocoryne Wendtii is relatively simple and can be done through two main methods, division and runners. For division, gently remove the plant from the substrate and separate the rhizome into smaller sections, each with roots attached. Replant these sections in your aquarium. Another method is to allow the plant to produce runners, which are stolons that grow new plantlets. Once the new plantlets have developed a few roots, you can cut them from the main plant and transplant them to a new location. What to plant with Cryptocoryne Wendtii? Cryptocoryne Wendtii pairs well with other low to medium light aquatic plants. Some great companions include anubias, Java fern, and various types of mosses. These plants share similar care requirements and can create a harmonious and visually appealing aquarium environment. Avoid pairing it with plants that require high light or aggressive growth, as they may outcompete Cryptocoryne Wendtii for nutrients and space. Common problems and solutions. One common issue with Cryptocoryne Wendtii is melting, which can occur when the plant is introduced to a new environment. This is often a temporary phase, and the plant usually recovers and starts growing new leaves. Another problem is algae growth, which can be managed by adjusting light levels and ensuring proper water conditions. Is Cryptocoryne Wendtii toxic? Cryptocoryne Wendtii is not toxic to humans or pets. However, it's always a good idea to handle aquarium plants with care and wash your hands after handling them, especially if you have cuts or abrasions. Comparison with similar plants. If you're considering alternatives to Cryptocoryne Wendtii, you might look at Cryptocoryne undulata or Cryptocoryne beckettii. Both offer similar care requirements but differ in appearance and growth habits. Cryptocoryne undulata, for example, has more wavy leaves compared to the more rounded leaves of Cryptocoryne Wendtii. Cryptocoryne beckettii is also a good choice for those looking for a plant with a slightly different aesthetic but similar care needs. In conclusion, Cryptocoryne Wendtii is a versatile and hardy plant that can thrive in a range of conditions. By understanding its basic needs and common issues, you can ensure a healthy and beautiful addition to your aquarium. Happy planting!